So let's have a kōrero about men's mental health. Just kindness are quite sensitive, but won't confess it. Treat our fears like anonymous letters if we don't address it. See, the pressure among Kiwi males can lead to dire straits. When it comes to suicide, we have one of the higher rates. That's heartbreaking how we set this far. So it's on us to confront why we let it get this far. See, life throws us obstacles that we're forced to partake. Relationship breakups that lead to heartbreak. Loneliness kicks in waves of anxiety, feeling left out like you have no place in society. Comparing your imagery to others in better shape physically, having an injury or a permanent disability. Unemployed, your finances are badly in need when you're the man of the house with a family to feed. Diagnosed with an illness that's mentally, abused verbally, physically, sexually. Now I speak on behalf of those bros who can relate. Like power at the beach, there's only so much a man can take. Now, do I cry at times? Hell yeah. I don't care, I'll put it out there, because it's beneficial for my welfare. Now, there's a stigma that we're supposed to harden up. Doesn't always work like this. See, the path to peace is a journey, not a light switch. But on the plus side, better days do come. This is a fact. That's not how we fall, but how we find our way back. Don't keep things bottled up. Reach out, speak out. There's no shame in anyone who needs help. There's no harm in therapy or even a counselor that can help add things up like algebra. Or if you're too fucking mad for a stranger to talk to, lean on family and friends to support you. Surround yourself with positive company, and anyone at any time will always come to me. I'd much rather you bug me at early hours in the morning than turn up to your tummy where everyone's mourning. I keep it 100, just straight from the heart. If you don't try to light on something, it'll remain in the dark. Now I know life seems like it's a never-ending struggle, but I promise there's a light at the end of every tunnel.